Hey guys, do you want Zoom to automatically show up in Google Calendar events? Let's sync them up so every scheduled meeting comes with a Zoom link. The easy way. First, open a browser and head to zoom.us. Then log in. Once inside your dashboard, get to the left menu and click on Settings under Personal. Scroll down to Calendar and Contacts Integration. Click Connect to Calendar and Contact Service. Then select Google. You'll be prompted to sign in and allow Zoom access. Choose the Google account that you want to link. Then grant the permission Zoom asks for. This lets Zoom automatically add meeting links to your calendar events. And you're done. Now every Zoom meeting you create can sync with Google Calendar. Perfect for staying on schedule. Smash the like button if this made your planning easier. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching.